This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making your iPhone a reliable timeline machine. Update iOS, free space, and enable iCloud backup so past states are preserved. Once done, turn on Photos sync and location services to capture context you'll revisit later. Make sure backups run automatically over Wi-Fi and that you have enough iCloud quota. This preserves snapshots and metadata you'll need to travel back. This first step prevents data loss and sets up searchable history for later restoration. Now you build retrievable moments. Create memories in Photos and Record Time, lapse clips of scenes you want to revisit. Once you have captures, label locations, add notes, and adjust timestamps for accuracy so searching is fast. This is why metadata matters. Then, archive intentional backups to iCloud or your computer with clear names and dates so you can restore a precise state. Make sure to test searchability by finding an old memory. This confirms your timeline is usable. To travel back, choose Restore from iCloud or your archived backup. This brings apps, messages, and settings to the saved moment. For single items, recover photos from recently deleted or download versions from iCloud. Once restored, verify contacts and messages are intact and sync completed. If something goes wrong, check your Apple ID, Wi-Fi reliability, and that you have enough iCloud storage. If necessary, re-attempt restore after freeing space or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.